Hello to anyone who stumbles across this, my name is Hannah, and today I'm going to briefly walk you through gas exchange in fish, as well as all the relevant keywords and knowledge areas needed. Ready? Fantastic. Let's get started. A couple of keywords and phrases to get us kick-started or caught up. Countercurrent system, which is today's major focal point, but very simplistically it's blood flowing in one direction and water flowing in the opposite to keep up a steep concentration gradient. What is a concentration gradient? It's the difference in concentration between two areas. Then we have gills, which are the bits located on the side of the fish's head, covered by the operculum, gill slits, and which are made of gill filaments, providing a large surface area, and are covered in lamellae, which increase surface area even more. These lamellae have many capillaries which speed up diffusion. Bit of a figurative Russian doll there. So, how does this whole structure apply to gas exchange? How is it helpful? So glad you asked. Basically, because fish live in water, their oxygen intake is going to be somewhat limited as a result of, being surrounded by water, so general evolutionary adaptation had to get creative. What did it do? It came up with a way to have the most efficient gas exchange system possible in the circumstances by having a counter-current system. So now the fish gets oxygen by taking in oxygenated water through the mouth and exits through the gills. But how is that oxygen actually getting into its system? Well, in the gills, blood flows one way through the lamellae, and water flows over them in the opposite direction, thus providing the counterpart of the countercurrent system, meaning our oxygenated water is always flowing next to blood with a low oxygen concentration. Here's where diffusion comes in, because our high concentration next to our low concentration gives a steep concentration gradient and allows for very efficient diffusion alongside the high overall gill surface area and letting the maximum amount of oxygen from the water diffuse into the blood, high to low. Perfect. I hope that's helped you with the overall topic and gotten you prepped for the practical with cutting open a fish head to get up close and personal with those gills. Good luck. I'll see you next time.